Hi students, today we are going to see the exercise number 3.10 in algebra. First question, solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. Solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. See the first, I take the Roman number 2 here. 3 into p square minus 6 is equal to p into p plus 5. First of all, the given equation is not in the standard form of quadratic equation. First we want to convert the given equation to the standard form of quadratic equation, and then we have to find the factorization, and then we have to find the roots, right? Solution, I take the second Roman number here. The given is 3 times of p square minus 6 is equal to p into p plus 5. First I multiply the p inside, 3 inside, and then p also here. So 3p square minus 3 6 are 18 is equal to p into p square plus p into 5 is 5p. And then next I take the whole terms to the LHS side. That is p square plus 5p. I take to the LHS side with the simple change, right? That is 3p square minus 18. If I take this p square to this side, we get minus p square because both are in positive value, right? And then 5p I take here means we get minus 5p is equal to 0. And then 3p square minus p square is equal to 2p square minus 5p minus 18 is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form of a quadratic equation. Now we want to find out the roots. See, here we have the coefficient p square as 2. The coefficient of p square as 2. So you have to multiply the coefficient of p square with the constant term. 2 into 18 is minus 36. And then if you factorize, we need the value of minus 5. Then what are the factors of 36 means? 2 18s are, 4 9s are, 36. These are the factors of 36, right? Here I am choosing 4 9 4s are or 4 9s are. 4 9s are 36. Here we need a negative symbol. So in highest value I put the negative symbol, that is minus. Minus into plus minus, 9 4s are 36. If you add this, we get minus 5. Then the factors are minus 9 and 4. And then here we have multiple by 2, right? So you have to divide by the same number 2. If you divide, we get 2 here. Then the factors are p plus 2 is the one of the factor, that is p plus 2. Here we have minus 9 by 2. This factor, the denominator is changed into the coefficient of the p. Minus 9 is equal to 0. Then the roots are p is equal to minus 2 is the one of the root, and then p is equal to, here we have 2p minus 9, right? 2p minus 9 is equal to 0 means, then 2p is equal to minus 9, then p is equal to minus 9 divided by 2 is the roots of the p. Next, we take the Roman number 3. In Roman number 3, we have, see the given term is not in the standard form of a quadratic equation because here we have the root value, right? So solution, first we have to square the given term on both sides, squaring on both sides. Because we want to cancel the root, so that's why we are squaring the term. If you square the both the term LHS and RHS means we get root of a into a minus 7 whole square is equal to 3 root 2 whole square. Here root and square will be cancelled, right? We know that the root value is equal to 1 by 2. The root value is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and then we have the power 2 means 2 will be cancelled. So that is the concept, right? The root and square will be cancelled. So we get the value as a into a minus 7 is equal to, if you square this term, see each and every term should be square. 3 square is 9, and then root whole square. 2 root whole square means we get only 2. root and square will be cancelled. So 9 2s are 18. Now multiple this term a into a square minus 7a is equal to 18. I take this 18 to LHS side. So a square minus 7a minus 18 is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form of a quadratic equation. It is easy to know. Find the factors. If you multiply we need 18. If you add or subtract we need the number 7. Then the factors of 18 are 1 18s are 18, 3 6 are 18, and then these are the possibilities, and then 9 2s are 18, right? So here the suitable is 9 2s are or 2 9s are. Here we have negative symbol, so put the minus symbol first, and then minus into plus, minus 9 2s are 18. If you add this, we get minus 7 as the factors, right? Then the factors of a minus 9 is the one of the factor, and then a plus 2 is the another factor, right? Then the value of a is equal to a minus 9 is equal to 0, and also a plus 2 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 9. I take this minus 9 to other side, we get plus 9, and here also a is equal to, I take this plus 2 to other side, we get minus 2. These are the roots of the given equation. Hi students, today we are going to see exercise number 3.11 in algebra. See the first question, solve the following quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square method. Completing the square method. We want to use the completing square method to solve the quadratic equation. First of all, the first Roman number is taken as 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. The given equation is in the standard form of a quadratic equation. But see the second Roman number, we have 5x plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 2. It is not in the standard form of the quadratic equation. First we want to convert the given equation in the standard form of quadratic equation, and then we have to find the solution. Let's see the first Roman number here. The first Roman number is 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. Right? Solution. First of all, if the coefficient of, to completing the square method, we want to check the coefficient of x square. For completing square method, the coefficient of x square must be always 1. Always 1. Here we have number 9. Coefficient of x square is 9. So we want to make it as a 1 means divide the same number what is appeared before the coefficient of x square, before the x square, right? So this equation is divided by 9. If I divide this equation by 9, we get x square, that is 9 divided by 9 is x square minus 12 divided by 9x plus 4 divided by 9 is equal to 0. Right? Here 9 is cancelled, right? So it is possible to reduce to the lowest term. See, divide by 3 we get 4. It is divided by 3 we get 3. Then x square minus 4 by 3 into x plus 4 by 9 is equal to 0. The first step is we want to make the coefficient of x square as 1. See, now it is in the form of 1, the first step. The second step, we have to take the constant term to the other side. See, here 4 by 9 is the constant term. It moves to the other side. We want to take other side. If x square minus 4 by 3 into x is equal to, here we have plus symbol. If I take other side means we get minus 4 by 9. The second step. The first step, we have to make the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. The second step, we take the constant term to the other side. The third step in the completing square method, next we have to take the half of the coefficient of x with square. Square the half of the coefficient of x, and then we have to add on both sides of the equation. That is, add half of coefficient of x on both sides with square. So we want to find what is the coefficient of half of the coefficient of x, and then we have to square the term and add on both sides. Let's see, the coefficient of x is here 4 by 3. right? Half of 4 by 3 is coefficient of x is 4. Half of 4 by 3 is 1 sir, 2 sir. So we get half of the coefficient of x is 2 by 3. This term should be squared and add on both sides of the equation. See, x square minus 4 by 3x plus 4 by, then 2 by 3 whole square is equal to minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 whole square. So the third step we have to add the half of the coefficient of x with the square on both sides. The first step, for completing the square root, first we have to take the coefficient of x square as 1 and then we take the constant term to another side. Next, we are adding the both sides half of the coefficient of x with the square root. Now, see, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, a square minus 2ab plus b square means we know the formula, that is a minus b whole square. So, this term can be converted in this format, a minus b format, right? If you want to convert this, in the place of a is x, in the place of b is 2 by 3. Now, a minus b means, that is x minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to, in RHS here we have minus 4 by 9 plus, if you square this term we get 4 by 9 also, right? 2 square is 4 and then 3 square is 9, then we get plus 4 by 9 and then minus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9 both are cancelled, so we get 0. This term is equal to 0. Then if you take square root on, right, taking square root, we get, because we want to find the x value only, right? So we want to cancel the square, so we take the square root. So taking square root of x minus 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 0. If you take square root for 0, you get 0 itself, right? So root and square will be cancelled, then x minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to 2 by 3. I take this minus value to another side, we get 2 by 3. So the x is equal to 2 by 3 by completing square method. First step, coefficient of x square must be 1. Second, take the constant term on the side. Third, half of the coefficient of x should be squared and add on both sides. This is the format, right? Next, we see the second Roman number. Now see, the second Roman number is not in the standard form of a quadratic equation. First we want to convert it into a quadratic equation form. So, solution for second Roman number. The given is 5x plus 7 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 2. Now I take this denominator to another side, it is in the multiplication, right? So 5x plus 7 is equal to 3x plus 2 into x minus 7. So x minus 1. Then we have to multiply this two term by binomial form. We know that binomial forms. First we multiply 3 into x and then 3 into minus 1. In the LHS side we get 5x plus 7. Here 3x into x is 3x square. And then plus into minus, minus 3x into 1 is 3x. And then next 2 into x and then 2 into minus 1. 2 into x is 2x plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2. Whenever you are multiplying the term, first multiply the symbols and then you have to multiply the values, right? Next, here 3x plus 2x. We have minus and plus symbol. This term is equal to 3x square. If we subtract this, we get minus x minus 2. In LHS side, we have 5x plus 7. Now here we have the 3x square. I take this LHS side to the another side. I take this LHS side to the another side, means put another side is we get 3x square. Here we have minus x minus 2. This term is moving, right? So we have to change the symbol here. Here we have plus 5x. If you take another side, we get minus 5x. Here we have plus 7. If you take another side, minus 7. This term is equal to 0. Now simplify this. 3x square. Here we have minus x. Here we have minus 5x. If you add, we get minus 6x. Because both are in the negative symbol, you must add it. And then minus 1, minus 2 here. Here we have minus 7. Both have negative symbol. Add the two terms, we get minus 9. Now it is in the form of standard form of quadratic equation. Now we have to find out the solution for this by using the completing square method. See here 3, 6 and 9. Clearly the given term is the multiple of 3, right? So first step we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So I divide this given equation by 3. Whatever appears in the coefficient of x square, the same number divided term. So if you divide this, we get x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If you divide by 3, we get 3 cancel. It is 2 times, it is 3 times. So now the equation x square minus 2x minus 3, the coefficient of x square is 1. Now we take the constant term to another side. X square minus 2x. See, the constant term is minus 3. If you take another side, we get plus 3, right? Now, first step, the coefficient of x square is 1. Second step, we have moved the constant term. And the third step, we have to find the half of the coefficient of x. Here, the coefficient of x is 2. Half of the coefficient of x should be square and add on both the sides. So 2 will be cancelled, so we get 1 square only. This should be add on both sides of the equation. This is x square minus 2x plus 1 square is equal to 3 plus 1 square. Why we are adding both sides means it must be equalize the terms. If you take this 1x square to another side, plus 1x square and minus 1x square, both will be cancelled. So we get the remaining equation. The equation didn't change anything, right? So that's why we are adding both sides. Now, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square form, right? So, a square minus 2ab plus b square means we know the formula, that is a minus b whole square. So, here in the place of a is x, the place of b square is 1. Right? The place of b is 1. So we can rewrite it in the form of x minus 1 whole square is equal to. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it in the form of a minus b whole square. That is x minus 1 whole square is equal to 3 plus 1 square is nothing but 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now we have to cancel the square root. We want to find only the x value. So taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, here we have root of x minus 1 whole square is equal to root 4. Root 4 is a perfect square number, we know that, and then root and square will be cancelled here, so we get x minus 1 is equal to, if you find the square root for number 4, we get the plus or minus. So we get the value as plus or minus. So x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 2. Now we want to find out the value of x. So x, we get the 2 value. Let's see. X minus 1 is equal to, first one I take plus 2. And then another one I take x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So for this, if you take minus 1 to another side, x is equal to 2 minus 1, minus 1 turned into plus 1, right? So x is equal to 3 is the one of the term. And here we have x is equal to, already here we have minus 2. If I take this minus 1 to another side, we get plus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. So the value of x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 3 comma minus 1 is the answer. Hi students, next we see the exercise number 3.11 question number 2 in algebra. Right? Solve the following quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation by formula method. Sometimes the quadratic equation cannot be factorized very simply. In that way, we can solve. We want to solve that means by using the formula method, we can easily able to find the solution for the quadratic equation. Right? Let's see. In formula method, we know the formula, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is the formula, right? Now compare this given equation with the standard form of a quadratic equation. The standard form of a general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So solution, first Roman number 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 is given. Now compare this equation with 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is the general form of a quadratic equation. Now in the place of a is here 2. So a is equal to 2. In the place of b is equal to 5 with negative symbol. But in formula we have only positive, right? So b is equal to, we take minus 5. That is b is coefficient of x. A is coefficient of x square. So the coefficient of x square is 2. Coefficient of x is minus 5. And then the constant term c is equal to 2. Now by the formula method we know the quadratic equation formula method, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is the formula. This is quadratic formula to find the solution. So in the place of a, b, c, we apply the values. Now x is equal to, here we have, in formula we have minus, so put the minus symbol first, and then the value of b is equal to minus 5. So here we have to be very careful with the symbols, right? So in formula we have one minus, and also in the value of b we have minus 5. So I put it in the bracket minus 5 plus or minus root of b square means, that is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into the a value is 2 and then the c value is 2 whole divided by 2 into a, that is 2 into a value is 2. Now I remove the bracket here, then we get x is equal to minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus root of, if you square this term, even the positive value or negative value we are squared the term means we get only the positive value. So minus 5 into minus 5 is 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 divided by 2 2s are 4. Now this term x is equal to 5 plus or minus, see here we have 25 minus 16 is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. So root 9 divided by 4. Root 9 is a perfect square number, so we get 3. 5 plus or minus 3 divided by 4. So we get two values. One is 5 plus 3 divided by 4. Another one is 5 minus 3. So here we have plus or minus. So I split the terms into 2. So x is equal to, one of the term is 5 plus 3 divided by 4. And then another term is x is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 4. Now x is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 2s are. Therefore x is equal to 2. On other side, x is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 divided by 4. Here 2 ones are 2 2s are. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. So the roots of the given equation is x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 by 2 is the roots of the given equation by using the formula method. Right? Next we see the second Roman number. Second Roman number is given as, that is root 2 f square minus 6 f plus 3 root 2. First of all we want to check the given equation is the standard form or not. See, the variables is in the standard form, that is x square, f and then constant term, right? Here it may be the coefficient may be a real number, whatever may be the numbers, right? So the given equation is in the standard form of a quadratic equation. We'll go through the formula method. See, I clear this. So I take the second Roman number here. Roman number 2 is root 2 into f square minus 6f plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. Now compare this with a, b, c. The coefficient of x, f square is 2. That is root 2. And then b is equal to the coefficient of f is minus 6. And then c constant term is equal to 3 root 2. By formula method, we know the formula that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a is the formula. Now we have to apply the value of abc. So x is equal to, in formula we have minus, so put the minus symbol first, and then the value of b is minus 6, so within the bracket we put minus 6 and plus or minus root of, here b square means minus 6 whole square minus 4 into the a value is root 2 and then c value is 3 into root 2 whole divided by 2 into a value is root 2. Now first minus into minus plus we get 6 plus or minus root of minus 6 square, minus 6 into minus 6, minus 6 into minus 6 is nothing but 36. We get positive value only when we are squaring the term, and here we have minus symbol. See, first we multiply the terms 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to, we know that 2. So 12 into 2 is equal to 24. All divided by 2 root 2. Now x is equal to 36 plus or minus root of, see, 36 minus 24 is equal to 12 divided by 2 root 2. See, we want to find the square root of 12 means we can able to write the terms as 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 because here we get the 4 as a perfect square number, that is 2 2s are. So we can convert it as 4 into 2 means if you take the square root for this, then 4 will be taken out common limits, 2 root 3 we get the value as 2 root 3 for root 12. So x is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Here we have a given number, here also we have a given number, so 2 will be taken out commonly. So x is equal to 2 is taken out commonly, 3 plus or minus root 3 whole divided by 2 root 2. 2 will be cancelled, and then we have to separate the terms. One we have positive value, another one we have negative value. So x is equal to positive value 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 divided by root 2, and another one x is equal to 3 minus root 3 divided by root 2 is the solution, is the roots of the given quadratic equation. So for that, root 2 f square minus 6 f square plus 6f plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0 means for this quadratic equation we have the roots x is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by root 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. Thank you students. Hi students. Exercise number 3.12 in algebra. Question number 1. If the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 by 5. Find the number. So the difference of the number and its reciprocal is equal to 24 divided by 5 is given. Let's see. We don't know what is the number, right? So let me take this. Let x and its reciprocal is 1 by x. Let x and 1 by x is the number and its reciprocal. So difference between these two numbers, that is x minus 1 by x is equal to 24 divided by 5. The difference of these two numbers is equal to 24 divided by 5 is given. Now we have to take LCM. So x into x square minus 1 divided by x is equal to 24 divided by 5. Now cross multiplication, I take this 5 to LHS side and x to RHS side. See, both are in the denominator. If I take this term to another side, it is going to multiple, and x to b take to another side, it is also going to multiple the term. So 5 into x square minus 1 is equal to x into 24 is 24x. Now multiply this 5 inside, we get 5x square. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 is equal to 24x. Now I take this 24x to the LHS side, that is 5x square, and arrange in the standard form. Then x square, then we get x, that is minus 24x, and then minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we get the standard form of a quadratic equation. By using this quadratic equation, we can able to find what is the value of x, right? Either we can use any one of the method, either they are formula method, or simple factorization method, or completing square method. Now I am going to simple factorization method. See, the coefficient of x square is 5. This 5 should be multiplied with the constant term. So 5 into minus 5 is minus 25. 5 is a 25, right? And then the middle term, the coefficient of x is minus 24. If you multiply, we get 25. If you add or subtract, we get minus 24. So what is the only possible means? It is the only one possible. 25 ones are 25 or 5 is 25. So 5 is not possible. So we get 25 into 1. So here we have the negative symbol. So highest value as negative minus and lowest value as plus. Now multiply this term, minus into plus minus. 25 ones are 25. If you add this, we get minus 24. Then the factors are, and also we have multiple by number 5, right? The coefficient of x square here, we have 5. If you multiply by 5 means the same number we have to divide. So 5 5s are, so we get here minus 5 and 1 by 5 other factors. Therefore, x minus 5 is the one of the factor, and x, take the denominator to the coefficient of x, so we get 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 5. X minus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 5. Then its reciprocal is 1 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. 1 by x is equal to, just reciprocal the term 1 by 5. Therefore, the number x is equal to number is 5. Check this. A number and its reciprocal subtract that, we get 24 means just check it. That is 5 minus 1 by 5. Take LCM. 5 is a 25 minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to 24 divided by 5. So we get the value. It is given 24 divided by 5. Then the number and its reciprocal, when we subtract, we get 24 out of 5 means that number is 5 is the number. Exercise number 3.12. Question number 4. A girl is twice as old as her sister. A girl is twice as old as her sister. 5 years since, the product of their ages in year will be 375. Find their present age. So, first of all, we don't know what is the her girl's girls has sister's age, right? So let me take it as her sister's age will be x. That is unknown value, right? Let x be the age of her sister. Age of sister. Right? Then what about the girl's age? The girl's age is twice as old as her sister. Therefore, the girl age is twice as old as her sister. Her sister is x. So twice means 2 times of x. So the sister's age is x and the girl's age is twice as x. 5 years age. What is the condition? 5 years age. See, the sister's age also increased as well as the girl's age also increased. 5 years age means after 5 years both the age will be increased. Therefore, sister is age is x plus 5. 5 years after, the sister's age is increased by 5 and then girl age is already they have 2x. After 5 years, 2x plus 5. So after 5 years, both of them age will be increased by 5. Now, 5 years, the product of their age, see the product of this two age is equal to 375 is given. The product of the sister and the girl age is equal to 375. So that is my condition. What is the condition? The product of age, that is x plus 5 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 375 is the product of the two age. Now multiply this two ages, that is x plus 5 into 2x plus 5. Simple binomial into binomial form. X into 2x is 2x square. X into 5 is 5x. And then 5 into 2x is 10x. And then 5 into 5 is 25. Plus 25 is equal to 375. Now 2x square, here we have 5x, here we have 10x. Sum of this is equal to 15x. Here we have 25. I take this 375 to LHS side, we get minus 375 is equal to 0. Now subtract this, we get 2x square plus 15x minus is the highest value, so put minus symbol. 375 plus 275, that is 375 minus 25 is equal to 350 is equal to 0. Now it is the standard form of a quadratic equation. So we can use any one of the method to find the factors of this one. See, here I am going to use the simple factorization method. Here we have the coefficient of x square is 2. So multiply this coefficient of x square with the constant term. If you multiply, we get 2 into 350 is 700. And also here we have symbol as minus. So minus 700. If you factorize, we need the number 15. So very simple to factorize this. So 35 into 2 is 70, right? 35 into 20 is equal to 700. Multiply this two term. 35 into 20 is equal to 700. Here we have the plus symbol, right? So the highest value put plus and the least value put minus. Now multiply this, plus into minus, minus. 35 into 20 is 700 and subtract this. 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. Then we have multiplied by 2, right? So divide by the same number 2 on both the terms. If we divide, we get minus 10 is the another term. Here we have the factors. Here we have 2 as the denominator, right? take to the coefficient of x. That is 2x plus 35 is the one of the factor, and then x minus 10 is the another factor. Now we want to find what is the value of x. So we take this 2x plus 35 is equal to 0. X minus 10 is equal to 0. Here we have x is equal to, I take this 10 to another side, we get plus 10. See, here we have 2x is equal to minus 35. I take this x is equal to minus 35 divided by 2. We are calculating the edges or distance like this. There is no negative value. So this is not possible. Negative value is not possible. So we take this as the value of x is equal to 10. Therefore, the age of a sister is x. And the age of the girl is 2 into x. Therefore, the age of girl is equal to 2 into x. That is equal to 2 into x times 10 is equal to 3. And then her sister's age. Therefore, the age of her sister is equal to x, that implies 10 is the her sister's age, and the girl's age is equal to 20 is the girl's age. Thank you, students.